Sometimes the best trade in binary options is no trade at all. And I know that's not what most people want to hear. Because when you see a clean setup, a perfect level, a nice reaction, your brain goes, okay, that's it, I have to take it. That feels like discipline. But a lot of the time, it's a trap. Here's why. Not every market environment works for binary options. You can do everything right. You can be calm, you can be consistent, you can enter exactly by your rules, and you can still start losing. Because most beginners only look at the shape of the setup. They see a level, they see a pattern, they see a reaction, and they think that's enough. But what decides the outcome more often is the environment, what mode the market is in right now. A strategy is not a collection of screenshots. A strategy is a simple idea that only works when the market gives it room to work. If the market doesn't give those conditions, the probability doesn't show up. And that's the sneaky part. Everything looks like you are almost right. It almost reached the target. It almost holds direction. It almost respects the level. And that almost is exhausting. Because in your head, you are thinking, I did it correctly. Why does it keep falling at the last moment? So, you start tweaking. You change the timing. You adjust the rules. You add filters. You look for an even more perfect entry. But the problem is not the entry. The problem is the environment. Here is the simple truth about binary options. You don't need to be right in general. You need the market to finish the move inside a specific time window. That's the whole game. So, when the market stops finishing moves, it becomes toxic for binary options. Even if the chart looks beautiful. There are three very common situations where this happens. First one market moves, but nothing continues. Price pops, then it dies. The next candle gives it back. Then another pop. Then another give back. You see movement and you think, okay, now it's going to push through, but it keeps cutting the sentence in the middle. And that creates the worst type of loss. You enter correctly, price goes your way, and it is just not enough. It misses by a little. Then it comes back. That's not bad luck. That's a market that refuses to follow through. Second one, price keeps snapping back to the middle. You have a range. You have boundaries. You even get clear reactions, but no matter where prices goes, it gets pulled back to the center. You enter off the level, it moves a bit, then back to the middle. You try again, same story. You switch the setup, still the same story. This market behaves like a magnet. Its main strength is not trend, not levels, not momentum. Its main strength is returning to equilibrium. And this is where traders get angry and confused. But the level was there. Yes, the level is there. The environment just isn't built to respect it right now. Third one. Strong, beautiful candles with no result. This one tricks a lot of people. You see a big, clean candle. Strong body, confident push. It looks obvious. Your brain goes, come on, that has to continue. But if there is no follow-through, no structure after it, no clean continuation, it's just a picture. The market can look confident and still fail to deliver. And binary options is not about how pretty the move looks, it's about how predictably the market behaves after you enter. So, here's the main idea we always put first at Cronika. Your first question is not, where do I enter? Your first question is there even a tradable market right now? Because if the environment is wrong, the setup won't save you. You will keep finding nice looking entries inside a bad market. After then, you make the next mistake. You think you need an even better entry, but you're already doing perfect. There is nothing left to improve there. The real skill is recognizing phases where the market is not allowing probability to play out, and skipping those phases without feeling like you missed a chance. Because it's not a chance, it's a situation where the market will spin you in place, slowly draining your stats and your confidence. So, next time you see that perfect setup, pause for a second. Ask yourself, does the market finish moves right now? Is there follow through? Is there a clear structure? Or does it kill impulses, pull back to the middle and constantly reset? If it is the second one, don't try to be a hero. The best decision is not to enter. That's one of the most underrated skills in binary options, knowing when the market is not worth trading. If this way of thinking helps you, subscribe to Cronika. We make content for people who want to trade binary options like a system, not like a guessing game.